Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the United Star. I'm Atanu Vadva, and Manchester United and Manchester City have just drawn 2-2 in the FAWSL. I think this was the best time to face City, I'll be honest. Gareth Taylor is struggling with that City side, and we should be doing much, much better than a 2-2 draw. We should have won this game, and the best part was that Manchester City were down to 10 players in the 35th minute. Georgia Stanway got a red card, but we'll talk about that in the coming minutes. And this was the best time to face City, and this was the best time to get that win, get those 3 points, move 9 points clear of City in the table, move one step closer to the UWCL qualification for the next season. I know the season is long, but at the same time, we should be winning these games. I'm very disappointed, but at the same time, it's a point. Hmm, I don't know whether I should be happy or sad after that performance. That we got 1 point. So starting with typical WSL officiating, giving offsides to the goal to the players who are onside, not giving penalties when a player is brought down inside the box. The only thing that the officiating was right on is that red card which Georgia Stanway got. But just look at that. Just look at this. How is this an offside? Just tell me, how is this an offside? Leah Galton was given offside for this. How is this an offside? I don't know. And going to that Georgia Stanway red card, that was a very very bad tackle, a horrible tackle, and a red card any day. A very bad tackle on Leah Galton. I'm happy that she's fine, but you know, Stanway deserved to be given a red card, deserved to be sent off after that tackle. We didn't take advantage of City being down to 10 players. City aren't the side that they are because of injuries as well, and they were down to 10 players, so we should have won this game. And 3 minutes after Georgia Stanway got the red card and City were down to 10 players, Khadija Shaw scored a goal, Bunny Shaw scored a goal. um, Not good enough. We should be, the man marking wasn't, the player marking wasn't well enough. I think Mannion was supposed to mark Khadija Shaw, but she didn't do so. I know there's a difference of height, and I know me saying this right now wouldn't make a difference because I'm sitting at home and Mannion is playing on the pitch. So I wouldn't take it out on her, but we are conceding against a side which is down to 10 players. So half time, I thought Mark would make some changes, bring on Wilde Boris or bring on Carrie Jones. I think I was talking to someone and we just had an opinion that might as well bring on Carrie Jones because we need that goal. We need to experiment with things. But in the 67th minute, he brought in Lucy Staniforth in place of Kirsty Hansen. I was mad. I'll be honest. I was mad at Mark because he took out a forward and brought in a midfielder, Lucy Staniforth. But in the 72nd minute, what a brilliant goal, Lucy Staniforth! What a brilliant goal! I was in awe of that goal. Hannah Blundell, Ella Toon, Hannah. I think it was Ella Toon's assist. She's on fire. Ella Toon is on fire. Another goal contribution. But let's just talk about that Lucy Staniforth goal. What a sublime finish. I think Lucy Staniforth had her back towards the goal, but uh, she scored it with a back heel. Amazing finish. I think her inclusion into the team in the second half did make a difference. I was wrong. I was wrong that Lucy Staniforth wouldn't make a difference. She did make a difference. And then what a finish by Alessia Russo. What a finish. Amazing goal. Hannah Blundell and Ella Toon linking up pretty well on the left side. Hannah Blundell with a beautiful cross, grounded cross to Alessia Russo for that goal. So amazing. I think it was an amazing goal, and I'm happy that Alessia Russo got a goal. I'll be honest, she got a goal, and I'm really happy. It was the 75th minute in which Alessia Russo scored that goal, but in the 79th minute, Ellen White got the equalizer for City, and after that, the game was pretty much over. We didn't make the subs on time. We didn't start Haley Ladd, which was I don't know why he isn't Mark's starting Haley Ladd. Vilde Borisa was supposed to be the signing of the season for us. She's been doing really well for Norway as well. She has that UWCL experience as well, but she isn't being given those game time. She isn't even starting. I don't know why. But you know, it's a 2-2 draw. Don't really know what to say, to be honest. We should have done better. We should have got that 3 points. We should have got that win. We should have been 9 points clear of City right now. But we have, we just have a 2-2 draw, and I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know. I don't have any words. I know I've been speaking for quite some time, but we've not been good enough in this game. I'll be honest. I'll back Mark Skinner until the end. I'll back my manager. That's my stance. But nobody's above criticism, and Mark Skinner got it wrong. He got it wrong right from the starting 11. And I'm not going to be one of those toxic toxic fans who will just point out one player or the other. But it's high time. Katie Zelm isn't performing well. I'll be honest. She's the captain, and she should be performing well. Being a captain, you need to be the first player on the team sheet. I don't think that's the case. I think that's not the case at all. Katie Zelm isn't even in the top. Like, I don't really want to say anything bad, but she isn't performing at all. Just because she's the captain, and she's starting and she's not doing really well. I mean, Mark Skinner needs to do something. Mark Skinner needs to sort this out. Katie Selam needs to put in better performances. You're the captain. You need to perform. This is the Manchester Derby. Make those runs, make those paces. You can't just walk on the pitch, please. But she's the captain, and I think she has those leadership qualities. But at the same time, she isn't performing well. I'll be honest. I've been trying to control myself from saying anything against our players, but at the same time, nobody's above criticism. Like I said, Mark Skinner got it wrong. Katie Silem should be doing better. There were other players who should be doing better as well, but I don't know what's happening. I'll be honest. We should be winning this game. We should be winning this game, but at the same time, we haven't. You know, it's frustrating. I'll be honest. It's frustrating that we didn't win this game. This was the best time to win against Manchester City. They were down with injuries. They were down to 10 players in the first half from the first half, and we didn't do anything. We didn't take any advantage. We were sitting back. We were absorbing their attack and then going on the counter. You're playing against 10 players. You need to press. You need to attack more often. But very frustrating, very frustrating. Nobody's above criticism, I'll be honest. But at the same time, I back my players, I back my manager. We need to do something. We need to make some changes. Durham in the next game in the Conti Cup, I hope we get that win. I'll be honest, Mark Skinner got it wrong today. Mark Skinner got it wrong. Uh, you know, I don't really know what to say. I'll be honest. I've been speaking for 8 minutes now. This was my review of the game. Hopefully, we learn. We need to progress the ball quickly. We are so slow with the ball progression. We are playing from the back. I understand. Mark Skinner's gameplay is playing from the back, but we need to be progressing the ball faster. We need to have our gameplay quicker. I think Lauren Hemp and the dual battle of Lauren Hemp versus Ona Bhatia was something amazing. Yes, I am saying it was amazing because we saw two great players, two young players fight it out against each other. Ella Toon was amazing. I'll be honest, Ella Toon was amazing. And here's a shout out to Mariops. What a performance. I know we conceded 2 goals. I know, I know we drew the game, but she was fantastic today. The amount of saves that she made, I think if it wasn't for Mary Ups, we would have lost 4-2 or 5-2. The amount of saves that she made, the quality of those saves was exquisite. And gutted for her that she didn't get the clean sheet. But we need to be doing better. Hopefully, we will do better. Hopefully, we'll get that win against Durham. But disappointing. 2-2 draw against Manchester City in the Manchester Derby at the LSV. The fans were amazing, And I'm wearing this yellow shirt t-shirt because I just want to, give a shout out to John Foster and Natalie from the All for United WFC. They were also wearing the yellow t-shirt with the kick it out motto on the t-shirt, but I have a plain yellow t-shirt and I thought, why not wear it? So this was, sort of, because I wasn't at the game, and I wanted to feel a part of the LSV crowd, so I wore this yellow t-shirt. Maybe I should have wore the United jersey and we would have won. Nobody knows, but we need to be doing better. I know we need to learn from our mistakes, and hopefully we'll get that top three spot, or maybe even the FAWSL. But as things stand, it doesn't look like it, because this was the best time to face City. This was the best time to win against City, but we didn't win it. So I'm very disappointed. But here's my review. We are the United Star. Do subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Glory, glory, Man United.